welcome to the most beautiful, sensational Bollywood star, Miss Sunny Leone. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presence. Please have a seat. We're very happy to...
Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? And I would also like to welcome our CEO, Mr. Yuva Pushpakar, on stage. A big round of applause for him also. Thank you and welcome. He is an Indian film actor, worked in Tamil movie industry. His movie, Benami Velakotlu, was a 2012 blockbuster of the year. He is a person with passion for cinemas as well as game. So without any further ado, with a big round of applause, I would like to call on the CEO of Zoopy Infinite Fun gaming app, Mr. Yuva Pushpakar. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Good morning, my dear friends. It's my privilege to welcome the most happening celebrity in the world, Sunny Leone. Mumbai is not new to me. I started my career in Mumbai. I was modeling in Mumbai. Then I moved to Chennai for movies. Movie is my passion. Because of my passion, now I'm in Zoopy. About Zoopy. Zoopy is all about movies. Zoopy is the first movie gaming app in the world. And definitely movie people love this.
Thank you so much, sir. And now moving on, I would like, can we have you all on stage? Yes. So our first winner gets an iPhone 12 Pro, and she is Miss Anjali Singh from Dehradun. Can we have a big round of applause?
Good job, you got the right number.
So can we have a big round of applause for the winner of Zoopy Infinite Fun, Miss Anjali Singh from Dehradun. And our next winner is, okay, sorry. Thank you. And our next winner is Mr. Akshay Babu. Can we have a big round of applause for him? And he gets 1 + 8. Thank you and congratulations to both the winners. Thank you, everybody. You all can have a seat. As for Indians, we all know we are passionate about two things. That one is Bollywood and other one is online games. So ladies and gentlemen, here is India's first online fantasy platform for movie lovers, Zoopy Infinite Fun. And to tell us more about the gaming app, I would like to call on CTO, Mr. Atul P. Raj. A big round of applause for him.
Hello. So a very good afternoon to all. And
Yeah.
Whenever I go down south anywhere, I always get some really nice gifts.
This is something you have to open it. This is one of the famous festival in
Thank you.
the world. You can open it.
Laddu eating contest? No?
Can we show some love? Can we have a big round of applause for this? Yes.
Who wrapped this?
All the umbrellas around the 40 to 50 umbrellas will change. Next time please come. The umbrella. So other side, 32, elements will be there. This side will be there. And there is competition between both the sides. And who is better, umbrella, they'll get,
Thank you so much for this beautiful mementos. And now the stage is all yours. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah, can we have the microphone, please?
Sure.
And one microphone here.
Can we? Can we? You are here. Good to see you all. Sunny, good to see you after a long time. Tell us your association with Sunny Leone, how she came on board, and you always wanted Sunny to be a part of it. Yeah, to you.
Look at the numbers what she have, that Instagram, all thing, 42 million, and and the famous celebrity. So definitely that's a choice, and that kind of people, crazy people play this kind of games. So there is no other choice for us. First thing, Sunny Leone only. So that's all.
Sunny, what's your take on this? 42 million people following you.
I think it's amazing. I love my fans. I think they're the best. But it feels good to have that many followers, of course.
What do you have to say about the app, Supi app? It's all about Hollywood, Bollywood, where there's a quiz happening.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि now I can go on and कुछ सीख भी सकती हूँ. I can learn about Bollywood trivia. When you live in a country जहाँ सब लोग Bollywood के लिए, actors के लिए, entertainment के लिए पागल हो जाते, wherever they are, I think that it's a very unique and creative way of kind of harnessing what the passions of the country is. So I think it's awesome. I can't wait to play because now I'll learn. And I'm going to be guessing. This is the best. You bid 50 rupees and you guess what you want to, you guess the amount of money, and you win an iPhone. And सबको पता है जब आप कुछ win करते हैं कितना अच्छा लगता है. That whatever you win is extra special. So I think it's great. I'm surprised she's not opened. These two have not opened the boxes yet.
युवा जी, ढेरों सारे ऐप हैं हमारे मार्केट में, स्पेशली गेमिंग ऐप बहुत हैं. सो कितना चैलेंजिंग होने वाला है आपके लिए?
No, see, this is the first time, first movie app in the world, movie gaming app in the world. So there is no challenge for us for right now. So this is for common people. 10 rupees, you are putting for 10 rupees and you're getting, suppose 80,000 rupees or 6,000 rupees, depend upon the traffic. So you are playing with not with the company, you are playing with the people who's involving. That's more thing in this game. And especially about, that lowest price, 50 rupees only you're putting. Just 50 rupees and you're getting a phone like 2 lakhs, 1,60,000 rupees, that phone you're getting. And it's not hurting anyone. Just normal thing, and you answer for all the movie questions, you will get it. You make mistake, that is your mistake. We are not making mistake, we are not doing anything. This is all up to, everything is clear. Everything is in the Google, what is the answer, what kind of movie is doing, who is the actor, everything is there. So you can check it again. Not like other app.
पूरा दिन खेल सकते where you're betting 10 rupees or very, very little amounts of money. I like that. We all like when we can go to the casino and you put the penny in the slot machine and you sit there all day long, and I think it's great. And obviously I would learn something as well.
It's a chocolate money, 10 rupees.
What is the USP of your app? What is the USP of your app?
So the thing is, the uniqueness that we have is the fantasy gaming format for the movie industry. That is, there is not even a single app who is doing a fantasy platform for movie industry. That is, the sports fantasy platforms like Dream 11 and all. We are a similar platform for the movie industry. It is the first time in India such a kind of a platform has been released. You put in 10 rupees, you get 1 lakh rupees. That is if you win. And everything is legitimate business. And whatever you are doing, you need to have a basic knowledge of movies. So it is skill-based.
I'm changing my profession. You get this much money for playing with such little amount of money.
Okay. You, as you said, you started your journey here from Mumbai, and you used to do modeling here in Mumbai. And tell us how you got this idea of making an app, and that to talk about Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood, numerous thing where somebody can make a money.
See, I told you I'm very passionate about movies. I'll watch a lot of movies. I'm into movies. Actually, supposed to do a good movie before the corona. It's happened. Full workout and everything all done. When corona happened, everything is gone. Then I was sitting, I'm now working on other things. I have other business also. Then Mr. Miffin, I know him very well. So he told me we have developed one app like that. It's a movie-related thing. Then I told him, get me the numbers first. Then he's given the numbers, all these things, how they, how they work and everything. Then I told, I need 2 days time. I studied very well. Everything is, this was before as a different name. I changed, all things changed like a different thing now. Now I made a setup, the corporate level, and a lot of things we changed. So quite interesting, and movie is something, if you like something, you want to do it, and I love to do this kind of things. It's a challenging job.
Sunny, to you, the Hindi film industry, Bollywood, India is all about Hindi film industry, Bollywood. Do you think it's another form of employment when we talk about the current scenario in COVID in India, or I would say rather across the globe?
Did you say, is it a tough employment? Is that what your question was?
My question is, do you think it's another form of employment where you're spending 10 rupees and you're getting something out of it?
Kyun nahi? I mean, you can. I would suggest everybody play responsibly, but it's great pastime. You can sit, you can learn, you can do all these things. But I have a question. I want to know how long, kitna time laga ye data jo app mein dala hai, kitna time
15 seconds.
No, how much time did it take your tech team to put all this information in? because Bollywood ka data, ye jo, I mean, it goes so many years.
It is not the Bollywood. You can select the language also, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi, and English also you can select. That's all coming. So if somebody want to do only Hindi movie, they can do Hindi movie. You can select preferences there. Each and everything we are doing. We have a lot of people.
So how much time did it take to input all this data?
Lot of work is happening.
Yeah, we are having a dedicated content team behind this. We are having about 50 people. We are working with different film industries, that is Tollywood, Mollywood, Hollywood, everything. So we have 10 people in each industry putting questions continuously.
Every day.
So every day. And daily we are adding about 250 questions per person.
Per person.
And it is going great. And since the last 1 year, we have been doing it. And we are having a pretty big database of movie-related questions.
Sunny, आपको किस में महारत है? I mean, what is your more experience about, you know, if I talk about the knowledge of Hindi film industry or the Tollywood, given a choice कि आप खेलें अगर सूपी पे, तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में खेलना चाहेंगे और किस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करना चाहेंगी?
Well, it would be Hindi, and in the app, it's in the Hindi language, so मैं वो पढ़ नहीं सकती हूँ, so it would be in English.
So we'll play one game with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, will only for her movies. Let me see her knowledge about her movies.
We have set up a special game for her. We'll be
कुछ ऐसे movies है मैं भूलना चाहती हूँ.
We'll be making her play the game after the session.
Sunny, here. Are there any friends in Bollywood with whom you would like to play this game, like on the app with? ऐसे कोई Bollywood में आपके friends हैं जिनके साथ?
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं हार जाऊंगी. So मुझे that person उसके साथ खेलना है जो शायद मेरे से कम जानते हैं. So I would win. I wouldn't want to lose. That would just not be part of playing.
Any more questions? All good? Okay, then we'll, जैसे कि आपने बोला था, and we also have a gaming platform for Miss Sunny Leone. So can we have ask her to play? Yes.
Sure. I had an idea for you guys. You guys should set up a tournament, like a full-on gaming tournament, and they all just get out of the chat and they lose, and the winner, you know, gets something.
This is the bidding section.
Yeah.
So you can select amount that is from 700 to 7,000. Okay, that is the price. Yeah.
This is rupees. You can select. No, you can type here also.
Okay.
What number?
For this form. For F11. So you can select a value and just submit the price. That is it. Okay. If this is the unique lowest unique value, you win that form. That's it. That's how simple it is. And we have also set up a number of questions for you.
Oh boy.
This is your movie.
Yagini MMS was what kind of film?
Hello?
Yeah, she got the right answer. So next question. Sunny Leone made a special appearance in the movie. The options are Fisa, Rise, Zero, War. Rise. Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, the next question. Who played the character Selena in the movie One Night Stand? Yeah, this is specially made for you. A special game for Sunny Leone, ma'am. कुछ लोचा है सर. Comedy film, horror film, thriller film.
It was supposed to be comedy.
So this is how simple the questions are. Anyone can play with a basic knowledge of movies. And they can select their industry preference, that is whichever industry that they want, Tollywood, Mollywood, or whichever. And they can also select the regional languages in which they need to see the questions and answer.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, she got that also right.
Where was I born?
Where was Sunny Leone born?
Canada.
Yeah, that also right. The song Leila Mein Leila is from which movie? Race. Yeah.
No?
Yes, it is the right answer. So you can view your results right here.
Person turned green.
Okay. So now you can see the leaderboard. No, 11th one. So she is currently 11th in the 11th position.
This comedian famous? I have to do it faster.
Yeah, fastest finger swing.
Long as one.
So then we have yes or no questions. Sunny Leone did double role in the film Ek Pehli Leela.
ये तो मैं pass करूँगी.
Yeah, next. Sunny Leone was born in Canada, yes. Is the song Leila Mein Leila sung by Sunny Leone? No. Oh, she's pretty good. Sunny Leone played the character Lord Leila in the movie Shooter at Varla. Yes, right answer. Next question.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
That also right. Yeah. So this year, yeah. Your fans are faster than you. She got the 13th position.
5 people over my shoulder. I lost again, guys. I have 2 more chances.
Yeah, you have 2 more chances.
Right now.
Do I die? I don't remember. Did I die? Yeah, I did. I remember what happened.
Okay.
Interesting, no?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't distract me. Yes and no. Yes and no. This all you tricked me.
So now you'll get the highest score within the 3 attempts. It is still there.
So I think you all can see that this is such an interesting app, gaming app, and everyone is excited. I am excited, and I think people will be excited for it. So can we have a big round of applause for Soupy Infinite Fun, and we wish them all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of you for taking out your precious time. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Yeah. Sajna ma'am, can we have you here for the group picture? And yeah. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Tell us, how was your experience with Zoopy and how was your association with Zoopy?
Well, my experience is obviously amazing, and मुझे ऐप बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि it's something different. It's not just the regular games that we play, and the trivia questions they're fun, and you can actually play it with a group of people. क्योंकि हम सब घर पे बैठ रहे हैं ना, so it would be nice. You're sitting with your family, everybody's playing a game where you can guess the trivia and see who wins, which is very cool.
और अभी आपने गेम प्ले भी किया, मैंने देखा ढेरों सारे क्वेश्चंस के आपने आंसर भी दिया, so कैसा रहा आपके लिए एक्सपीरियंस?
Well, वो questions मेरे बारे में थे, so थोड़ा सा easy थे. But I think when I play the game and it's about everybody else, I think it will be a lot of fun. I would want my friends to play ताकि मुझे पता है वो कहाँ से place किया, and if I beat them or not.
Sir,
मैम यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
First of all, आप young generation आप mask पहनो. मेरे साथ बात मत करो if you're not going to wear a mask. हाँ, फिर से पूछो.
यंग जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऐप को लेकर?
Young generation किसके बारे में? Just okay. About Zoopy. I think that young generation के लिए, I mean, हम सब घर में बैठ रहे हैं अभी. We can't really do much. I think that it's great pastime to be able to play a game where you're actually learning something, or knowing that you know the answer. So I think it's a lot of fun when you find an app जहाँ बार-बार play कर सकते हैं, and you can go into different languages, which is very cool too.
Yuvaji, tell us, Sunny ji is here, and how was your experience with?
It's a great experience, It's a dream come true for, people like us, a small country, small state. We're coming here and, launching like this. It's something really big for us. And we'll deliver it. And whatever we are promising, we definitely deliver it. Yeah, it's definitely. It's a common man game and small money, and they make a lot of money out of this. So this, I'm very much interested in this. Interesting game. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji.
Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Be
One
safe.
wish, Merry Christmas. And
Sure. Ready? To all the viewers out there, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please be safe and spread love. We're in a time where we need to spread more love than hate.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.